Hi everybody, what's up? The next mask we will talk about is the Colorized Mask. The Colorized Mask is a fast way to color in line art. This mask is new to Krita version 4.0. So let's say you spent a long time creating some beautiful line art, then the next step is to color it in. The first thing we do is add a Colorized Mask layer. We scribble in the areas we want colored in. And when we're done, we click on the refresh button to color in the areas. We can toggle the scribbles using this button, and we can toggle the colored in areas using this button. If I want to make a change, I just add or remove some scribbles. And I refresh the mask again. In addition to this mask, we also have the Colorized Mask editing tool. When using this tool, we can modify the Colorized Mask options. First of all, we have the update button, which is just exactly the same as this button here. And we have the toggle scribbles checkbox. And we have the toggle color areas checkbox. If I enable limit to layer bounds, only the part of the layer where strokes or scribbles occur will be colored in. Activate edge detection can be used in case your line art includes large solid areas. Gap close hint is used to avoid leaking through small gaps between strokes. Cleanup will handle messy strokes. And there we have a list of color areas used. I can make any of these transparent, or I can remove the areas if I want to replace them with another color. Once done, we can convert the mask into a paint layer, and we can split the paint layer into multiple color islands. This makes it super easy to shade and highlight the various color islands. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.